foot Pathfinder. Look how wide it is. See the seat's higher. Put a cooler underneath. Ain't not bad. I mean, this is somebody else's boat, but oh, it's an 07 for $30,000. Ouch. I think it's a lot of money. I like the blue one over here better, but I'm sure it's a hell of a lot more. No Bimini on it. That at least has a Bimini to it. This one's good. And then there's a Mako that's not bad either. I have to look and see what the Mako prices are. These are about 22s, but these are big too. They're really big. It's got a neat seat. It's a little different.